Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord fixing the reinstallation issue. Right click, click Task Manager. Search any entries related to Discord. Right-click Discord process, click End Task. Right-click Discord process, click End Task. All Discord process are cleared. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Discord Uninstall. Click Yes to continue. Click OK. Discord program successfully uninstalled. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %appdata% in Windows search bar. Delete Discord folder. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %local appdata%. Delete Discord folder. Restart your system. Type Discord download in browser search bar. Click Downloads Discords. Click Download now. Open downloaded file. Type email and password. Discord successfully installed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.